Hey YouTube, this is my spider bolt action mod. I don't know the model or anything. I got this paintball gun at a paintball field used gun sale, and this is basically all I did. It's pretty cool. I cut off the top of the receiver, and back here where that screw for the bolt handle goes into, it was the original pin. It like held this pin in that goes down to the bottom bolt, and I put in this smaller screw right here in place of the handle, so it just I don't know, just so you can still kind of pull it back if you need to, but it's not in the way, it's not sticking out. I had to drill a hole in there, which I probably didn't need to do, but it just made it a lot easier. And it just makes it so the pin that connects the two bolts together can move freely and move out of the way. And that's all I did. And all that like grinding and sanding up here, that was just to get some of the burrs out from drilling this hole. It got all real crappy, so I just took a sanding wheel thing to it and just cleaned that up so it's nice and smooth. That's pretty much it on the description of how I did it. I did cut that notch in there so the... Oh crap, hang on. I'm sorry, I don't have a tripod. My old one broke. But just so this can go in here and it can lock in kind of. I'm going to put a bigger barrel. I have a 16-inch Smart Parts Progressive, and probably going to use like a remote line instead of that. This whole thing, and then I'm going to cut off the handle and try to put a nice long rifle stock on it, as you might have seen on another picture of another guy's spider bolt action. And basically here's the demonstration of how it works. I'm going to try to do this one-handed here. First, the bolt's down, you pull it up, and then you pull it back all the way, and then you slide it forward again and pull that down so it locks in there, and then again it locks into that place right there and it can't really move, and then you just pull the trigger. And that actually, I heard it makes it more accurate, and it won't chop any balls, like it won't break them in the barrel, because this part, this silver part right here, is what hits the ball. I don't know if you can see in there. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, see that sliding in and out? That is what hits the ball when it's on stock ones. But on mine, it's just stuck in there, and it already has the ball in there. And then when you hit this, this will release the gas. When you pull the trigger, that releases the gas, and so it's all just, it's CO2 pushing it out, and that helps it, I heard, to be more accurate. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put some videos on it in action pretty soon. And I haven't edited up or tested it or anything, because I just finished it, and it's like, I have no idea what time it is, but it's pretty late, it's dark out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.